Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to show you something interesting I noticed today with my Pluot trees. I have a Dapple Dandy right here and a Flavor Grenade right over there. The thing that I noticed was how much self-thinning the Dapple Dandy Pluot does compared to the Flavor Grenade Pluot. This is the first year I've noticed a drastic difference. As you can see right here, there's one fruit left after there was a cluster of flowers, about 20 to 30 on that one cluster, and it thinned out that many fruit to be perfectly balanced instead of weighing too much on that branch. And you can see another one right over here that used to be about 15 to 20 flowers, and it thinned itself all the way down to one fruit. Now let's go take a look at the Flavor Grenade Pluot in comparison. Now as you can see right here with the Flavor Grenade Pluot, I'll scan up for a moment. You can see the clusters. Let me zoom on some. So as you can see right here of how much it just collects and collects. And there's some clusters worse than others. Now as you can see right here, there's about a collection of 20 to 30 Flavor Grenade Pluots on one little branch. This variety does not thin itself out that much, so I'm hoping that in the month of June it will thin itself out. But there are hundreds upon hundreds on this little 6-foot tall Flavor Grenade Pluot. I just like to share that. Alright everyone, happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.